Rape. It's strange how few minutes can change life's direction. It changed how she used to look at her reflection. That single moment, and her life totally changed. The feelings of the heart suddenly rearranged. No one will understand how she felt that day, but deep down within these lines, we want to convey. She was the soul full of happiness we once knew. You can't even imagine what horror she went through. She tried to fly away, but the wings were broke. She was like a caged bird he used to push and poke. She was full of confusion and filled with lust. He took away every part of her with his endless trust. Tears like raindrops rolled out of her face. She gazed into the diamond with eyes full of disgrace. His ruthless touch shocked life out of her. In that darkness, the light of hope was so far. Several late nights, she can't even fall asleep. Thinking about her innocence is no longer hers to give.